Hello and welcome to a new video. This time I bring you a new platform which I found super interesting since I have recently seen many opinions about it. And the truth is that the opportunities it offers seem great to me considering that the investment it is practically zero, but it is not a miraculous method. But if you want a way to invest money or even earn cryptocurrencies, I think this is the option for you. So stay if you want to see all the information that I will be showing you live. How am I? Winning, and how you can also have the opportunity to earn a lot of money before you start. Welcome to Top 4 Earn, a channel where we will teach you how to earn money online in the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell like this. Every time we upload a new video, you will receive the notification and you will have the latest way to earn money online. So don't forget to like the video, and if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment box. We will try to solve it as soon as possible. Now let's go back to the video so you can see this new method. The platform is about BNB Win, but this is not just a staking platform. It is a complete ecosystem that offers a wide variety of options to win, and believe me, win a lot, yes. If you are ready to be part of BNB Win, registering is quite easy. For this, you can use the extra code 306, and with this you will get a bonus of 353 per. If you heard correctly, 353 is almost multiplying this bonus that they give you by 4. And the truth is that registering is quite simple. We register with our email account, a password, our invitation code. Here the extra code 306 would go. Here it will give you a code, or a secret key which you have to copy is obviously hidden. Let's click here because I'm a human, and we're going to select the triangular pieces here. Click on it and continue with this one. Click on verify, and as you can see, it's that easy. We're already registered now. Yes, we click sign up, and as you can see, it's that easy, and we're already participating. Now here it offers us the different options, and for example, the bonus that it's going to give us to be able to stack our script, with which we're going to earn some incredible commissions. Now I'm going to give you to show how easy it is to deposit and start generating with this platform. For this, we simply have to click here on the wallet and top up, and it will offer us a temporary address. We copy it, and this is where we are going to visit our BNB. For this, we can use a platform like Binance where we can buy cryptocurrencies. The truth is that it is a safe platform. Now, yes, here we are going to click on withdraw, and here we are going to select the crypto. We select BNB, we add the address, we select the type of network. This would be, we give it here in itself, I am sure, and here we're going to deposit the BNB that we are going to want. The minimum amount is 0.03 BNB. As you see here, we give it in a spot wallet, we select, and we are going to give it the withdrawal, yes. Make sure it is the BSC network. We give it in withdraw. We click here on confirm and continue here. We are going to continue with this. And now, as you see here, you see a large decrease in my portfolio. And here, for example, it appears that there is a BNB withdrawal in progress, which is the one I just made, like you see from my spot wallet of BNB 0.0305. And here the destination appears, for example. And where is the withdrawal of BNBs going to be arriving now? Just like any other crypto, it has to be confirmed. As you see, here is a 6 out of 15 process with which when the 15th arrives, in fact that is what those in charge of mining do, which is to confirm all these processes, and once the 15th process has been completed, then we can receive our money in our wallet. Now it is ready. As you see, we have already received our BNB. To continue, we are going to click here to select how much we want to stake, and we stake it. And here, for example, we have this model where we can invest to get extra percentages. This will vary, but as you see, all the information appears here that your rewards are going to be paid every hour, and this is going to last for 24 hours, which is pretty cool. You can activate each one for 2 hours with a balance of 10 BNB or more. The truth is that it's pretty cool, but we're going to stake where we are going to be able to get a return of 353 by giving it here in stake. And as you see now, our staking is already here in managed staking. We can see how our profits are going. Here is our compensation that in fact is quite cool. Now, as you saw in the previous section, you are going to see how much you are going to earn in, for example, 1 day, in 7 days, in 30 days, and after a year you would be earning practically 4 times what you invested. For example, if you invested a BNB after a year, you would be earning an extra 3.53 BNB. In other words, you would end the year with 4.53 BNB, which is quite great and is an incredible opportunity. You decide how long you want to leave it, whether it be 1 day, a week, 30 days, or even a year. The truth is that the full year is where you get the most rewards. they look, which at least to me seems like an incredible opportunity to generate passive income. And well, this concludes the video. Thanks for joining me in this analysis of BNB. Subscribe for more information about the latest innovations in the world of cryptocurrencies, and in addition to the update of my earnings, withdrawal, how much I was earning, and so on. See you in the next video. Until the next.